The association has been active in organizing many event industry initiatives. We organize Sri Shakti Awards, which is to empower women. We organize various activities which are a part of networking campaign and where we bring in all members together to exchange their business ideas, trends, and we also participate as delegations for various events across the country and the globe. We also have amidst of us the representation of 16 industry association presidents. Thank you all. We will also felicitate them down the line. Thanks. A big round of applause for all industry associations who have also taken this event as their event. They have pushed their members and all of them have attended in a huge number. We have witnessed a huge traction. In fact, the digital and other platforms is a testimony of the connects where all we have reached. So we all thank you once again for being on this event, and let me continue this address with the keynote address. So we are here. Why are we here? We are here building a collaborative wedding industry initiative. We have brought in the members and the wedding industry members from all the crafts across the event industry, from all the zones of the country and the globe, so that we leverage, we orient them what is TCEI, what is the Wedding Society of Hyderabad, the Habitat of Hyderabad, and the Fraternity of Hyderabad. So, the first, we'll talk about the Srinivasa Kalyanam. Srinivasa Kalyanam, which I would like to tell to my friends from other parts of the globe, it is the recorded mythological largest wedding ever organized till date known to the human mankind. It goes back to millions or billions of years because we talk about mythology, but this is the wedding where, in fact, the bride's father, the bride is our goddess Alivelu Padmavati, and her father is the richest man, the then richest man on the globe. So he is none other than the Kuber, and so it's his daughter whom we got married to our Lord Venkateshwara. And this wedding stands a testimony for a greatest event of all the times, and even now the wedding is such a grandiose scale, it is said. And so what we all believe in South India is just by having a picture of this in our houses brings wealth, prosperity and harmony among the household. So we have, this is the land, this is the soil which has seen the greatest weddings and the grandest weddings much before anyone could have ever imagined. So weddings are not new to Telangana, weddings are not new to South India. We have been there, and it's just that we're just trying to showcase it for the past 3 editions of SIWPC. The next one is. So the untapped power of weddings in tourism marketing, which many of our friends here understand what a wedding brings it to the local economy, what it brings it to the year-round tourism, how it contributes and transforms a normal destination to a global brand. In fact, we have seen some places like Tuscany, Auli in Uttarakhand, or many locations which have brought into limelight with some selective weddings. The next one, please. Yeah. This is a random search. In fact, I must thank our honorary member Vishala Reddy Garu. She's been the one who's made the presentation. I have few leaders along with me. They always are like, Balram, ye sahi nahi kar rahe aap, so this is what you have to present. I have Shravan who always styles me, bhai tu aisa mat pen, ye mat pen. So I have all my caretakers and I am so blessed. So Vishala, as per what she's made, so Santorini, Tuscany, Bali, Tuscany and Hawaii, these are all the places which we all know. And definitely Thailand is something which we all actually have seen. So these are all the sites which have already gone into limelight. We have similar locations in Telangana. as the tourism minister said, but perhaps for the stretchful conversation, some of us might have overskipped. But there are some beautiful landscapes and there are some beautiful cliffs which are with the backwaters near near Somasila, which the government plans to develop. So we also have a vision to develop Hyderabad as the most preferred destination in weddings, and which will also internally benefit our industry members and the event industry members across the country.